Hello everyone, welcome to Tuts Blocks. In this tutorial, I'm going to provide 7 different ways to clean C drive in Windows 10, which will help you to save disk space and improve system performance. Before moving on, make sure to save all currently used data in your system. 1. Delete restore points. For this, go to My PC, head towards PC's properties, then click on System Protection, go to Configure. Here you can see the current disk space uses. You can simply delete this mixture by continuing. Further, you have to create restore point to undo the system changes. Over here you can create restore point. Just click on create. Here you have to provide name for the restore point. I'm going to name it restore and hit create to create new restore point. Two, delete unnecessary Windows update. Again, go to My PC and open C drive. Click on Windows. Then scroll down, you will find software distribution. Double click on it. You can see download folder. Click on it. Then press Shift plus delete key to delete permanently. Hit yes. Continue. Three, disk cleanup. Same as back. Go to My PC. Select C drive. Go to properties of C drive. Then hit disk cleanup. Then clean up system files. Wait for a moment. After that, you will get files to delete. Here make sure to select the unnecessary file to delete and hit OK. Click on delete files. Again wait for a moment. Four, remove app data temp files. For this press Windows plus R keys and you can see a run box where you need to type %temp % and hit OK. Here you can see all the app data temp files. Now press Ctrl plus A to select all and after that press Shift plus delete keys to delete permanently without moving them to recycle bin. Then hit S. Skip all files. Number 5. Remove Windows temp files. Again for this press Windows plus R keys. You can see run box where you need to type temp. Then hit OK. Here you can see all Windows temp files. Now press Ctrl plus A to select all and press Shift plus delete key to delete and hit S and skip all remaining files. 6. Remove Windows Prefetch file. Similarly, for this press Windows plus R keys. You can see run box where you need to type prefetch, hit OK. Now you can see Windows prefetch files. Similarly, press Ctrl plus A, Shift plus delete, yes, and now skip all the remaining files. Finally, 7. Data compression. Same as back, go to My PC, select C drive, go to Properties, then click on Compress, OK, then OK, then Continue. Make sure to ignore access denied files. You can ignore all at once just by clicking Ignore All. Alternatively, you can manually compress the files just by going to the Properties, Advanced, Compress, hit OK, then Apply, then OK. Similarly, you have to ignore all the access denied files. Now you are good to go. That's all for this tutorial. Hope you learned some ways to clean C drive. Thanks for watching.